our happy, cozy home. Shapes are hiding where we roam. Open your eyes, come look and see. So many shapes for you and me. A circle rolls and never ends. It loves to play and spin with friends. Look at mom's bright frying pan. A perfect circle, yes it can. The clock that ticks upon the wall is round and shining, big or small. A plate, a coin, a donut sweet. All our circles, what a treat. Now square is strong with 4 straight sides. It never rolls, it never hides. Your window shape, your storybook. A box, a tile, go take a look. 4 equal edges, neat and fair. You'll find them here, you'll find them there. A square is sturdy, proud and true. It keeps our toys from falling through. A triangle has sides of 3. It points up high for all to see. Papa's sandwich, cut with care, is shaped like triangles everywhere. The roof above the mountain tall. A slice of pizza, best of all. 3 sides strong, it stands upright. A triangle smiles both day and night. The rectangle is long and wide, with 2 short ends on either side. The door we open every day is a rectangle. Hooray, hooray! Your TV screen, your study table, your favorite drawing if you're able. Take a look and you will find rectangles of every kind. Now comes oval, soft and sweet. A shape that's round but more discreet. An egg, a mirror, daddy's plate. Ovals make our home look great. They stretch a circle here and there to make things smooth with gentle care. Ovals help us draw and play. They make our pictures bright each day. A star will twinkle up above. It shines with magic, joy and love. But did you know in bedtime light, star shapes glow both day and night? You'll see them on your blanket side, or stickers you with pride apply. Stars remind us all to dream and make our world a shining gleam. Next is heart, oh soft and kind. The shape of love that fills the mind. It beats within us, strong and warm, through every calm and every storm. A heart you'll find on cards and cake, on Valentines that parents make. In every hug, in every tone, a heart will say, you're not alone. And diamond sparkles in the light. It dances gently, shining bright on kites that soar and jewels that glow. Diamonds shimmer to and fro. They look like squares that stand askew. A tilted shape, a lovely view. Hold one high and watch it gleam. A diamond shape is like a dream. Now take a step and look around. So many shapes are homeward bound. From walls to rugs to cups and toys. Shape bring laughter, fun and noise. Circle, square and triangle too. Rectangle, oval, all for you. Star and heart and diamond fine. Each one special, pure design. So next time when you're home or school, remember this fun, shapely rule. Shapes are friends in every place. Each one wears a smiling face. Now wave goodbye, but not too long. Keep learning shapes through rhyme and song. For in your home and world so wide, shapes are always by your side. Like and subscribe.